I think this should be the video where I show you how to design the balcony on this building. But before we start just consider to join the community by subscribing to this channel, by sharing this video, by liking this video, and also the most important part is leaving the comments. I don't know why, because some people have a lot of questions, but they're afraid of leaving the comments. So if you leave a comment about any misunderstanding, I'm gonna reply you, okay? But subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, guys. I beg you, subscribe to this channel. Okay, guys, let's start. So after designing the main part that constitutes on the stability, on the overall stability of the building, like the beam, the columns, right, and also the shear wall, right. So the shear wall has been designed here just to help the building to resist the lateral forces, like the wind load and the seismic load, like the earthquake, right. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create the balcony on the third floor and also on the fifth floor, right? So in order for me to design the balcony on the third floor, I need to go on the second level here. I'm gonna open the second level under the structural plans here, and I'm gonna zoom. I'm gonna adjust my view here, and after that, I'm gonna go on architecture, and under architecture, I must see floor. So we use floor to design to create the balcony, right? The balcony floors. Okay, I'm gonna go on floor, and I'm gonna navigate through my second level here. Okay, as you can see, immediately if I press level 2, the constraint level of the balcony should be above the second level, right? So the second level, so the constraints level become level 3, but I can change it to level 4. But if I put it level 2, the computer will ask me to change the level. Okay, so if you wanna create a balcony on the second level, you have to set it on the first level. Okay, it's like that. All right, so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go on modify and create floor boundary here, and I'm gonna use line, and I need all of the extremity, like the left part of my balcony and the right part of my balcony, both should have the same dimension. Okay, so I'm gonna set from here. I'm gonna set from the left part, and the nearest point that I'm gonna take is 4,000. I'm gonna click on this place here, and I'm gonna link until this intersection, this end midpoint here, right? I'm gonna click on this here, and from this, okay, let me do this. I'm gonna press escape. From this midpoint here, I will project my balcony until I reach 4,000. Okay, then I'm gonna press escape. Okay, just adjust my view, and then here I'm gonna align the top endpoints to the other bottom points here vertically. This intersection here should be the same line. You can see the dashed line here, right? It's indicated as the first line and the second line, they're in the same range line. Okay, okay, so here I'm gonna repeat the same process that I did, and then from this part until this intersection here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just close the shape. I'm gonna close this shape here, this endpoint, and this endpoint, and also this endpoint here to this endpoint here. So what I want here, I want to create a playground on top of my building, right? Like people they can be there to chill out, like drinking, playing football, enjoying, like to recreate, right? They want to recreate something, right? Like they want to just have a chilling moment, right? On the roof. Okay, so here, look. So after this, what I'm gonna do here, if there's no problem, I need to attach my balcony, my floor here to my wall. So I'm gonna confirm. So I'm gonna finish the editing mode. I'm gonna just press OK here. So as you can see, the computer asked me to attach the floor to the wall. So it means that the force of the wall should have been like I'm gonna have additional forces to my wall, and those additional forces should come from the floor. Okay, so let's say if the forces of the wall is 20, in this case I'm gonna reinforce my concrete based on this 20 of the force of the wall plus another another specific how can I say pressure, specific force from the floor, right? So this is the meaning of this part. So I'm gonna just press attached. Should be attached right now. And so, and if I go on 3D view, you must see that my third floor, okay, this is my third floor. If I zoom, this is my third floor, has a balcony on the extremity, like on the left part and the right part, okay? But it's not safe yet because we need at least the protector, and we need to protect people. The extremity here should have the railings, right? So I'm gonna create the railings, and by creating the railings, I'm gonna go on the third level. And you can see this shape represents my floor. This shape here, the shape in blue, represents my floor. And if I go on architecture here, I can see on top of the staircases and the ramps here, we have the railings. I'm gonna click on the railings here, and I'm gonna use line as well. And no, I'm gonna use pick line. I'll only pick the extremity of my floors. I'm gonna click on this floor here, and this part, this part, this part, this part, and this part. So my railing should occupy this extremity here, right? So if there's any problem, the computer will ask me to modify it, okay? But I'm gonna just press OK, all right? And if I go on 3D view, you must see that our railings, it has been placed on the wrong floor, on the fourth floor. So I just need to select the railings, should be blue, and then under the base level here, the constraints, I'm gonna just pick number 3, like the third level. Then I'm gonna press apply. As you can see, our railings have been applied on the contour of my floor, okay, of my third floor, okay. And after this, I can change the railing, but it's better for you if you wanna make it to look more beautiful. You have to customize your own railing in Revit, and I showed in the previous video how to do it, right? You can just go and check it out. Okay, here, okay, we can do the basic one. Just go on the railing parts here, and then you can change the type of the railing. You can just use the glass panel. Okay, and then you might see that it's changed a little bit to become more beautiful, okay? Right, and become more beautiful. And I need to repeat this process for the 5th floor. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go on south elevation. South elevation is just under the project's browser here. You must see, if you scroll down, you must see under the building elevation, you must see the south elevation. Just click on it, and then you're gonna end up in this view here, right? And you can go and put reality. You can just go on visual style here, and then if you go on, let's say on reality, realistic, so you must see the shear wall, or you must see the staircases that I'm going to modify in the next video. All right, and I'm going to show how to place seats properly, and then you can also see the floor. This is our floor, right, and our railings. So okay, all right. All right, so yeah, this is how you can create the balcony on your building here, right? But you have to make it more beautiful. You can change the shape. We can change this straight line to be at least a curve, an arc. Okay, yes, it depends on you, right? I just want to show you the basic one, right? But anyway, if you find this video both entertaining and educative, if you have more information, if you have more questions, you can just leave a comment and also like the video and also share the video. Okay guys, so see you in the next one. Bye bye.